everybody, my name's Ellie. This is a joint channel between me and my brother. Basically, I don't know if you're confused things. I've just been to a party, my friends did a craft and a movie. My friends threw me these, like this wall. Then I did it on a video canvas. Yeah. And I also got this staff from Snuggle. One of the bags you get, oh come on, run around guys. So it's like this really cool notebook, it's really cute I think. Like a cat and on the back, got like a few images on it. I got these gel pens, they've got lots of different colours. I feel like the sound, if the sound's a bit weird, but it sometimes does that, doesn't it? Sorry about that happened. We can try to fix that. So I got this pencil and I got this really easy white quite a powerful weapon. Hayden. Also, my friend Elia, my first made me this. Oh, I'm on it in my hand. Very cool. So, yeah. Also, go subscribe and hit that like button and follow my channel. This is my first time making a YouTube video as well. And yeah, go subscribe, hit the bell so that you can watch our new videos. We will be doing videos like gaming. I know I definitely will, like Minecraft, Roblox, Lego City on my Xbox. Yes, IO. I've already lots of different games. And I just just to say that the Sliver Toilet, I don't know if there's any sound, so I haven't watched it doing it yet. I have to try and edit tonight. So I will be editing this video because I need to try and make the sound a bit better. We have a very good sound on this one. So yeah. Also, I'm trying to think of something we can do for this video. Can we do a drawing? Yes, we do a drawing one. So guys, we will do like a how to draw video, or try to draw in my case, because I cannot draw very well. So, I am drawing, I've got the notebook, so yeah, open my notebook, yeah, I'm going to open my notebook, my notebook, it's pretty hard because there's only one way camera, so, what should I draw? I want to draw something. I don't know what to draw though. You can draw something, but I know I'm going. I'm going to draw something on a canvas. So I see you when I'm back. It won't take me long to draw. So Max is going to talk to you. It takes me like a few minutes to draw. I don't know what to draw. I can give you a quick tour of my room. Here's my bed. But I haven't got anything on it at the moment because I'm sitting in my sister's room because we have a desk round. Yeah. Look how much washing I've got to away later. Yeah. Are you done? Are you really done? Oh. I made it because I did it. I did it. It's pretty cool. I like it. Okay, he's done. I'll see you in a minute. There you go, guys. Okay, he has finished. Also, I was meant to give you a tour of my room today, wasn't I, as well? Max did tour his room, so I thought I might as well do one for mine. My room isn't the cleanest, actually. And Max is thinking mine is just a desk down. Huh? Yeah, I know. I told you it's in there. So So bye guys, I'll give you a tour of my room next time. So we'll see you later. Max, say bye to everybody. Bye. Okay, bye.